The interesting bit is this. A method is made up of a couple things. The first thing it's made up of is its signature. And the signature defines a couple interesting aspects of the method that tell C# how it should be used or where it is appropriate to use this method. The first thing we have is the return type. Every method must have either a return type or a void return type. And the return, well, void technically is a return type, but again, what we need to do is we need to tell C# what data that this method is going to give back to us. A method that doesn't really give us data back or accept data in isn't a very useful method. If the method did not give us back a decimal, then it would be invalid to assign the result of this method into a decimal. So that's the first thing, it's the return type. The next thing is the name. The name is just like naming is for everything else in C#. It is up to you. There are rules that you have to follow when naming something. For example, it can't start with a number, blah, blah, blah. But the point is that we should give our method a name that describes what the method does. Not necessarily how it does it, but we need to say, okay, what exactly is our method going to do? And we need to give it a descriptive name so that ourselves and other developers can identify what that little bit of code is.